having just arrived at my campsite here. I'm starving, I need to prepare something. Quick meal. It just feels right. Again. Chop up peppers, bit of garlic, then a little bit of rice, some squid. I think that was. I will do a different video on my camp cooking, but I'm a bit in a rush to fuff around. Bit of garlic. I mean, I'm not kissing anyone, so pretty much. And then I've home cooked in it. I think Gordon Ramsay would be proud of me, eh? Because I'm sticking out from that. Okay. A little bit more. That's enough. So. It's basically kind of a risotto. That's boiling hot, but good. So that's my dinner for tonight.